Welcome back. Till now we have created the project and created the header. Now for the next step we will complete the header section and then start working on hero section. So let's load Figma. Now the buttons will be rounded and let's view the size of the buttons. So the width of the button is 142 pixel and height is 51 pixel. So let's change the button. Now we will add class name. Now the width is 142 pixel. Okay, so the numbering in Tailwind CSS is in REMs. So one rem is 4 pixel. Okay, whenever you will hover over the class name, you will see the width and also the CSS behind the class name. Now to get close of 142 pixel, now at least it is 24 maybe. So let's 24 is 96. We will increase to approximately 35, so I think it will be 36. 144 pixel. Okay, that's fine. Now height is 52 pixel. So again 52 divided by 14, it is nearer to 12 pixel, 13 pixel it is. So we will go for 12. Okay. Now we will make it rounded. First we will add border here. Border will be border 1 pixel and we will use border black. Border black and rounded full. Rounded full shows 9999 pixels, means it will be completely rounded. Okay, so let's view the button. Now we will see the width of it's 1 pixel, right? It is 1 pixel and the text here is semi bold. We have to change the text. It will be font semi bold. Okay, the next step is sign up button. Don't worry about the JavaScript. After we complete the HTML and CSS part, we will jump into JavaScript. So let's complete the CSS part first. Now for the sign up button, the background will be black and text will be white. Background is BG, I think black maybe. Okay, and then text white. Now I think it is semi bold as well. Semi bold as well. So change it to text font. Okay, font semi bold. Then height and width of the button will be same, so we can do copy and paste here, and rounded full. Okay, it looks quite promising, and we will add some spacing in between. So for the spacing, we can use here spacing X. How much space you want? I think 4 will be good. So it will create space between two children, right? I think more 12 will be good. Oh, no, 12 is 10 maybe. 10. We can view the width as well. So it's approximately 30 pixel. Now for that we can do 8. Yeah, okay, 8. And the last step is to make everything alignment center. So for that we will use align items center on the parent element. Will be items center. Okay, so that's good. Now next we will start making hero section. We will start making it up in the home directory, right? So for that we will create a div or a section, whatever. Now for now I will create a section. I will create two div. And I will comment it is for the left hand side and it is for the right side. So first I'm gonna redesign this home page and then we will continue. I have redesigned the hero section, and for the better usage and better conversion I have decided that scheduler free class will be a better suited in call to action. Okay, so according to this form there is a header, name of a child, enter your mobile number, email address, state, and a submit button. All I'm gonna do right now is create a form, design it, and then we will do the JavaScript part. Okay, so let's jump back to code. It will have an header first. It says book your free class. Next one is a paragraph tag. It says learn from India's best teachers. Now I will use a h2 tag for simplicity. It says enter your details, right? Okay, now we will design the headers. I'm gonna add the class name. Text would be 2xl, 24 pixel, correct? And It will be semi bold. Okay, that's good. And it will be a paragraph tag. I think it will be a little smaller. So we have decided to use text Excel, but it seems it's quite big. So we will not change the text size. We will just use font semi bold and then color of the text to gray. I think gray 500 is good. Now for the enter your details part. It's an H2. So we will change the class name. Text will not be to Excel this time. I think Excel is good. Yep, Excel, font semi bold and black. Text black. Text is already black, we don't need to mention it. Now we have to align it. So here we can use is flex column, right? Flex column. I'm gonna remove the hello here. Okay, this looks quite good. Now I'm gonna add some max width. I think 100 pixel. For viewing the max width, and let's go for border. So we can see what is the max width here. It's small. I'm gonna increase the max width. Now I'm gonna add border here. It's quite big, so I think MD would be good. Yeah, MD is good. So I'm gonna remove the border here. I'm gonna make it rounded 6 pixels. Now we will start working on creating some shadow on the left side of the section. Now to create some shadow effect, we will use shadow MD. Okay. So let's start building the form. We will decide the action later. As I said, the JavaScript part will be done later on after completion of HTML. So right now all we need to do is create some input tags. Okay, so first input tag, type text, and we will write placeholder, enter the name. Okay, now I'm going to copy it. The next will be enter. I will change the name to your name. Now it will be enter your mobile number. Now email address. For the last part, the state is a select tag. So I'm not gonna change that cause we will be changing the input type from text to state when we will solve the JavaScript part. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna keep it like a text. So for now let it be text. Just submit, not submit, it's a state. Okay, now for the last part I'm gonna create a button, with type submit. Okay, it will be scheduler free class. Now after mobile number, there is a button. See, after the mobile number there is a button tells send OTP for the authentication part. So for that I'm gonna create a parent element, name as span. Span is nothing but a container like div, but it's an inline element. So it's very useful when you use it inside a form or a div element to separate the items. Okay, so it will be in button, a button says send OTP. Now let's view. Now as because I have not coded, so whenever you click a button it will just refresh whole page. So thank you for today. In this video we have completed the header tag and we have started building the hero section. Now in the next video we will design the form and then start designing the illustrations as well. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel so that you won't miss the next videos in the series. Thank you for watching.